Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Birchbox / Blissim for June. It's been a year already since I've started the subscription, so I'm very excited to see how it is this month. We have the most beautiful box this month. It's one of the ones that I think I'd keep, to keep nice things in. I use a lot of them for storage, but anyways, let's just dive in. So the theme for this month is play and dance. It's June. I live in the south of France. I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of summer stuff, although I doubt it's region specific. But in any case, ooh, this is what the box looks like. We got lots and lots of goodies. We get 6 items plus a sample this month, so very exciting. And as always, we get the items in the little booklet. Okay, so I'm going to take the first big giant one that I'm assuming is sunshine stuff. This is by Bioderma and it's the Refreshing After Sun Milk. So I've already started to get these in my other subscription boxes back in May. Bioderma is a great brand. This is a really awesome size and this will last us like several trips to the beach. So I'm not mad about that, and that way I don't have to buy it myself. This guy at this size is worth $3 or $30, so quite affordable. Don't think it particularly smells. Oh wait, I should open it first before I say that. Just smells very fresh and clean, very milk-like, so absorbs really quickly into the skin, which is exactly what you want for an after sun lotion, so that's quite nice, and I'll definitely use it. Next, I'll take out this guy. This is the Morning Street Brightening Conditioner with Argan and Marula oil. Marula oil. I can pronounce Nourish and Shine. So for this size, again, it's a mini, and it's worth €3.98 for all hair types. Yeah, as always, shampoo and conditioner samples for me are a bit, but at least this is a conditioner, not a shampoo, and I'm definitely one of those people where the conditioner runs out before the shampoo, so I'm happy to have this because I know I'll for sure use it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like an expensive salon, so I'll definitely use it. That's about it. Next, let's take out this cute little purple guy. This is by Glyme. Is that how you pronounce it? Glyme. Or Glyme if you're French. And so it is just a gel cleanser with, what is it, with figs and aloe vera. Cool. Yeah, I guess I don't really buy cleanser anymore because I keep getting the samples. And I'm not too fussed by anything. This one smells super nice. It's a good size. That'll last me a few weeks. All right. It's fine. It's fine. Next, I'll quickly take out the little sample, and it's just the Angel Nova perfume by Mugler. I know this perfume, Mugler perfumes in general are super strong, so if you're not about that, I wouldn't recommend, but it's nice to get a little sample every once in a while. Next, I'll take out this guy because I know the brand and I have the hardest time finding it online, but it's Imparfaite or Imperfect in English, and here we have the Moisturizing Day Cream for Happy Skin. So I had a face gel from this brand before. It was quite nice. It didn't really blow me away, but it was lovely. This guy again is a mini and worth $3.98 for this size. I'm happy. I've literally, I store a lot of, all my skincare is in here and all my kind of extras or new products to try that I haven't opened yet, and I've been really working my way through my skincare. Happy to get that. I'm running low on the face moisturizers, so this has been good timing. Doesn't really smell of anything, but it seems really nice and hydrating. I like the ones that are more of like a light cream for the face, like, you know, milk-like. So this is really nice and it's a good size. Again, this will last me several weeks, so I can't complain there. I'm gonna leave this guy to last because it's the only makeup item in this box. But next we have the Hyaluronic Acid Concentrate from Huygens Paris. We've gotten these samplers before, but different kinds 2 times in the past. I've gotten like a night oil and a rejuvenation oil. So Huygens, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it in English too, is just a really, really great brand. This little size is worth €6. It's just a really great company, and every product I've used I've really enjoyed. I have not yet tried this guy. Oh, it just smells like cucumbers. Yeah, cucumber and aloe vera. I was gonna say aloe vera. That smells so fresh. That seems really cool. I'm really happy with that. And last, but hopefully not least, we have a makeup item. This is by Elikya Beauty. We've gotten something from them before. I want to say a blush. not sure. But this is the only full-size item in the whole box and worth €12.50. So this is a liquid eyeshadow, natural and vegan. It doesn't say a shade name. I'm assuming it's the packaging color. Yeah, kind of. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's lovely. It's like a very not opaque shimmery shade, but honestly that would actually kind of suit me right now because I'm doing a fairly light eye. Oh, it like completely absorbed into my skin. So if you're looking for pigment, this may not be it, but if you're looking for a natural shade, this would work. I actually feel like I would use this as my summer highlighter, if that makes sense. And you have to kind of tap it in more to get a bit of the pigment, but there's like no pigment in it. It's being completely absorbed by the skin. I put 2 layers on my hand and I can't see anything. Let's try and put in a third. Yeah, I literally am just dabbing in the same spot and you can barely see it. Oh, all right. That's a bit of a bummer, but at the same time, I'm happy because I don't have a shade like this for face stuff, for highlighter and things like that, and I feel like it could be a really beautiful luminous bronzer or a summer shade. So in a weird way, I'm glad it's not pigmented because I'm gonna use it a different way and I'm actually gonna use it because of that. All right, I can't seem to hold it in a way that shows all the products, but what do we think of the month of June? So first of all, the full value of this box, I'm a little surprised, is actually €32.45, which isn't terrible. It costs what, €13? So again, you're always getting your value for money, but of all the items there was only one full size. I mean, to be fair, this After Sun product is huge, but only one full size, which was the makeup one. And again, like a big variety of items. We got skincare, we got hair, we got face, 2 face, 3 face items, and a makeup item. So overall, I feel like I like the design of the box more than the box. I mean, it's nice. I'm a little bit indifferent, but I'm not mad about it. I'm not on the indifferent, oh, hair floating. I'm not on the indifferent side where I'm like, ugh, like, I would have skipped this one. It's actually quite nice and a very useful box, and that's one thing if you're like me in the sense of I'm not very picky with my moisturizer, with my cleanser, skincare, like body lotion. So all of these products I'm comfortable using. I don't have any particular, do's or don'ts. So it's always nice for me to explore and try new things. And as I mentioned, I'm stocked up, so I got items. It's kind of nice, but there's just nothing in this box where I'm in any way, shape, or form blown away. This has been a very weird letdown, but at the same time, excitement. It just did a little flip reverse. Like I said, it's an eyeshadow product, but there is zero pigmentation. Like there's just a hint of a sheen on my hand where I did 3 layers. 3. Everything else is really nice. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it up. So in that sense, I suppose it's great. There's no waste, but it's just, it is what it is. There's nothing really super particularly special about June's box. Hey man, it's better than last June's, if I recall correctly. Yeah, that's it. That's Blissim / Birchbox for this month. Just a quick note before we finish off, I am moving shortly and have a trip coming up, and I am changing a little bit the style and the fashion in which I upload and film, and I'm hoping to kind of really elevate and improve my videos. So please bear with me over the month of June. I'll have probably about 1 video a week, and then I'm hoping to come back full force in July. So if there's a little bit of a longer break in between videos or a pause, my apologies. I'm really truly just working on getting everything together and getting better content out to you guys soon. If there's anything on that note that you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic. I am on Instagram. I am technically on TikTok, although I don't have the energy to follow up with these 18, 19-year-olds who upload 10 times a day. So that's that. But yeah, definitely check those out and give me a follow on there. And other than that, I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye.